So what I also got with this the circuit, I also got these small tools, but I also have some tools of my own from past. These are some mobile opening or like the screen or the backside prying tools. I would be needing these for sure. Okay, so what I have to do is that first I have to remove this back cover, and it's glued down by the factory, of course. It has never been opened before. So what I want to do is that I want to use a heat gun or that hair dryer of your wife maybe, and it shouldn't really reach higher temperatures. More than 100 degrees is really not recommendable. So I have a way to measure how the temperature goes high. I have this thermal camera that would tell me how high the temperature went. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I was just gonna make a mistake. The phone is still on. You have to turn that thing off. Alright, one thing that I actually forgot to mention was that I do also have this tool. It's really handy and it doesn't cost too much. It's kind of a tool that you could, it has two suction cups, and by doing this, once this loosens up, you could just open it up to a certain level, because it is really handy, because it will save you a lot of money if anything goes wrong by pulling the back maybe too much, because there could be wires connected from the back side to the motherboard, and we do anticipate that there should be wires because we have a fingerprint sensor that must be connected by some kind of ribbon cable to the motherboard. So these kind of tools, I would suggest really spend a couple bucks and get them in your drawer. I'll try to open the rear end. So I was trying to heat the lower end, and with the thermal camera you can see that I've heated up to a pretty high level at the bottom. Yeah, it's close to almost 68 degrees at this point. Just get it up to close to 90, 95, probably not more. It's not good for your phone. Okay, so what I've done is that I told you that I heated up with this heat gun, and I'm trying to pry this open with this, and you can easily start to get this off. You can get this stuck in on one side. Okay, which is good. You can start pulling this out, and if you have these kind of tools, you could start to pry it open further. Like I said, the benefit of this is that it will never pull it to a level that it will break the phone. Almost never. Unless and until you really give it a shock. So I haven't done anything. I'm holding with this thing, and I applied heat gun a little bit more, and it started just very smoothly. It started to open up. So we have kind of gotten this open, and actually I was right, because I've done these things before. So you see that ribbon cable, this one, oops, let me try to focus. This is the ribbon cable going for the fingerprint sensor to the motherboard. So we have saved that because of this pry tool. or open up tool, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. I'm just trying to open the other side. By the way, this is the most difficult step. If you succeed in this, the next ones are really easy, because there is a chance that you could break the back glass. Luckily we have saved it almost, not almost, actually entirely. Happy about that. I'm gonna use this thing to get the thing off of my phone from the other side as well. The phone is actually pretty hot.